Are you tired of rummaging through your freezer, trying to find that elusive bag of peas buried beneath a mountain of frozen food? Say goodbye to freezer chaos with the iSPECLE freezer organizer bins. These small but mighty bins are here to revolutionize the way you store and access frozen goods. With 4 sturdy baskets designed to fit perfectly in a 13 CUFT upright freezer, you can finally bring order to the chaos. Each bin can be designated for a different type of food, whether it's meats, veggies, or everyone's favorite indulgence, ice cream. No more digging around aimlessly, simply pull out the bin like a drawer, and voila! Your frozen treasures are right at your fingertips. But these bins aren't just about convenience, they're also built to last. Made from 20% thicker wire, they can handle even the heaviest of food items without flexing. Plus, their open wire design allows for optimal air circulation, ensuring faster freezing and better freshness for your food. And let's not forget about space optimization. By maximizing shelf space and preventing wasted gaps, these bins help you make the most of every inch of your freezer. No more lost or forgotten items lurking in the depths of your freezer. Everything is visible and easily accessible. So say goodbye to freezer frustration and hello to freezer organization with the iSPECLE freezer organizer bins. Your future self will thank you for it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.